guys, it's me, Abigail of Ground and Grow Yoga, and after last week a lot of you asked me about what planners I recommend. So I have always been the nerd who was super excited for the back to school sales so that I could get my pretty little planner and all of the matching sticky notes and pens and everything. So I've been through a lot of planners. And these are the two planners that I've sort of settled in on as planners that work well for me. So I'm sure I'm not the only one where you get a planner at the beginning of either the school year or the beginning of the calendar year, and you have every intention of using it for all of your to-do lists and all of your just different events, maybe even to journal in or whatever, and then a couple weeks in you've already stopped using it and you want to pick it back up again, but all of those missed pages, missed days are super daunting to you. So I found a planner that I really enjoy using, partially because it's not numbered or labeled. So the planner that I currently use is the Panda Planner, and I've been using these for about 2 years now. And so flipping to a day where I haven't done anything, we have the agenda for the day. So you have your morning review, what you're grateful for, what you're excited about, different affirmations and focuses, your exercise if you do that, and then these blank boxes which are left open for the different priorities that you might have. And then if you have specific appointments or things that needs to happen at certain times, you have the times here. We have just a task list over here, any notes you might need to take, and then a reflection on how the day went. So it says that it's for 3 months. I know they've come out with other ones that are longer now, but it says it's for 3 months, and some people are like, well, then I'm just going to have to spend more money and buy another one. But because of the fact that so many of us don't actually do it every day, they usually last 6 months to a year for me. So I will write sometimes out on a full day if I have a really busy week, or very often it will look more like this. I know you can't read what it says, but I have the different days of the week listed here and what needs to happen at the different times. I have my whole agenda for the week and what my focus and aspirations and affirmations are for the week. Now, since I bought my last one, they actually now have a planner that has a weekly layout, so it's a little bit bigger of a planner, and it has all of the different days listed, so it is a week view. And so that's definitely the next one that I'm going to try out, since that's kind of how I use mine anyway. And so that one lasts for longer. Inside of it, it does have the ability to put the month in yourself and have a calendar outlook there. And it has the weekly planner as well, which is projects you're working towards, planning for the upcoming week, and just a reflection about what happened the last week. In the back, there's a bunch of space for notes, and that's set up kind of like a bullet journal, so it has little dots all across it. So this is what my primary planner is, and if you have any other questions, you can ask me. I am not sponsored by them, although I would love to be sponsored, since I absolutely love using my Panda Planner. The other planner that I just started using in January, thank you to my brother and his girlfriend, is the Positive Planner. So this one, I do not write my to-do lists and things in there. It does have a space for that. It has the week and what types of things are going on in your week, your positive intentions for the week. It has a place to put a plan of your entire week here and your shopping list. But what I really like about it is it asks you to be more reflective. So looking at a day I haven't done yet, it has today's mantra, and again, it's blank. So that's how much I love the fact that it's blank and I don't have to feel bad about not hitting it every week, or every day rather. So your positive intentions, your top 3 to-dos, and today's self-care moment, and a note to yourself today. It also has a place to check off how much water you're drinking. Then it asks you at the end of the day to sum up your day, put a little emoji kind of thing up here to say how your day was. So were you super anxious? Were you happy? Were you worried about things? Are you excited? Whatever it is. What your general mood was, things you did well, and things you're grateful for. So this is requiring more of that reflection piece that's left a little bit more open in the Panda Planner. And then as you go through, there's also different exercises where it will have you sketch things or write things or color things. One of the ones that I did the other day that I really liked was putting stuff in a trash can. So things that are bugging you, things that you need to get off your mind. Another one that I really enjoyed doing was things that I love or things that I need to let go of. So throughout the whole planner, there's a bunch of different exercises to get you really thinking more abstractly. So those are the 2 planners that I'm using. Again, if you have any questions about them, definitely just ask. And if either of you would like to sponsor me, I'd be more than willing to talk about your product more because they've been very helpful to me and I have loved them. So if you enjoyed the video, please let me know in the comments and let me know what other videos you would like to see moving forward. So like I said, today's video was because a lot of you asked me how I plan out my week, whether I use an app or a planner. And so moving forward, if there are other things that you have questions about and things you would like me to talk about, let me know either in the comments or by email or direct messaging me on Instagram. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe as well as ring the bell so you know when my new content comes out. And thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.